How to enable Microsoft Edge new UI and features. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be discussing about Phoenix visual design on your Microsoft Edge. So first of all, open your Microsoft Edge, and then once opened, you have to tap on the three dots on the top right corner. After that, you have to select the settings. Once the settings is open, make sure that your Edge is up to date. After that, from the URL, you have to delete up to settings and then write in flags. Doing so will open the experiment that you can add up. So here are the few flags that we can use to enhance the UI. The first one is Project Kodiak. Once you tap on it, you will see different options such as terminology as well as look and feel. You have to click on the enabled option, and rather than clicking on restart, make sure that we use all the flags required. So once we have done with the Project Kodiak, the next one is Microsoft Edge Split Screen. You have to write it on the search bar and then you will get it. Once you have found the split screen option, you just have to click on the button and then select the enable option. This way it will enable the split screen features as well. Now for the next feature, we will write in rounded corners which will be added to Microsoft Edge. Once you get on that, enable it as well. Similarly, for the next step, we need basic title bar and toolbar. If you search on it, you will find the cleanup browser settings. You have to enable that as well. Similarly, the other flag is profile icon in title bar. Once you have found that, enable the flag as well. Lastly, you can turn on make rounded tabs features available also enable, and then you can restart the device. And just by that, we have got the UI. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.